This video shows how to use random choice in Python in the first of 3 videos on the lifelines for the Millionaire project tutorial for starters called 50/50. How might we go around creating the lifelines in the game Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Well, in Python we would use random. We start off importing random. Now, perhaps the easiest lifeline is 50/50. In 50/50, we're going to look at, or we're going to show 2 of the answers, the correct answer and another one. So in this example, we've got our 4 A, B, C, D answers, and we've just chosen randomly B as the correct one. Now, what do we need? We need just another answer that's not correct to present. So imagine if we just take out the correct answer, we've got 3 left. We randomly want to select one of them. So for example, let's call it wrong. We're going to use random dot, and what we're going to use is choice, because if you can even remember from our first game, we had rock, paper, scissors. We used choice with R, P and S. Here we've got the list A, B, C, D, and we want to randomly select one of these answers. If we print this, we should see. So let's run this and print it. So this will put in C. Let's try again. C again. D. Now we only need to show this wrong answer and the correct answer. But one thing we have to think about is the order. We couldn't show B and A, B first and A second. That would look a bit strange. So we can't just print these 2. So if we had a list, let's call it show, and let's append. So we've got show dot append, and we've got the correct answer. Okay, and also we've got show dot append the wrong answer. Now we can print this list, which only has 2 elements, but that's what we want to see. Now BD is fine, BC is fine. We can carry on. What about BA? Well, that's not so good. We want it in order. So what we can do is do show dot sort. So let's try again. See, now we have all of our options in order. Okay, so that is how we would do our 50/50. Next, we're going to look at phone a friend.